Hi, I'm Shelley Wood. You might know me from shelleywood.com. This is my tiny sewing room where I make doll clothes sewing videos. Today I'm going to show you how to make a pair of elastic waist pants to fit 10-inch dolls like the Project MC2 Dolls, Skipper Dolls, Monster High Dolls, and Ever After High Dolls, among others. Before we begin, please go to shelleywood.com to download this free printable sewing pattern. Use the pattern to cut out all the pieces shown here. Set one pant leg on top of another, keeping right sides together. Sew the outseam from the waist to the bottom of the leg. You may wish to stitch by hand or on a sewing machine. Follow these directions for both pant legs. Open each pant leg up and press the outseam open. You should have two pant legs that look like this. Set one pant leg on top of another with right sides facing, and stitch the crotch together. Your sewn crotch should look like this. Clip and press the crotch seam. Open the pant legs up like this and create a casing at the waist by folding once and then a second time. Use the pattern to guide you. Your second fold should be a little deeper. Stitch along the edge of this casing. I'm using a whip stitch here. Need help with the whip stitch? I have a tutorial for that. Look in the description below this video on YouTube. Measure your doll's waist for elastic. Cut the elastic to fit with a slight overlap. I recommend 1/8 inch elastic for this. Attach a safety pin to one end of your elastic. Send the elastic through the casing and pin it in place like you see me doing here. So I'm pushing that safety pin through, I pin it in place, I take the safety pin out, I pin it in place. Fold the pants in half to align the crotches that you haven't sewn yet, and sew this crotch with extra stitches over the elastic. Clip this crotch seam like you did the other one. Now your pants look like this. At the end of one pant leg, make a double fold hem. Again, you're going to fold once and then a second time. I like to hem using the whip stitch, but you could use your sewing machine. Fold the pants, bringing the two crotches back together. Sew from the finished hem along the inseam, across the crotch, and down the other leg, but you need to stop at the knee. Now your pants look like this. Open up the unsewn pant leg at the bottom and double fold hem by folding once and then a second time. Again, I prefer to whip stitch my hems, but you could use your sewing machine. Doing the hem by hand makes it easier to line up the edges of the hem to make sure that the pant seam, the pant leg, is all one length, not lopsided. Now that your hem is done, finish the inseam. I like to use my sewing machine for this part. We're almost done. Now you're ready to invert the pants and try them on a doll. For more free printable sewing patterns, for making doll clothes for dolls of many shapes and all different sizes, remember to visit my website, shelleywood.com. Well, that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching. If you like my videos and free patterns, please share them on your favorite social media platforms. It really helps my website grow if you spread the word. Goodbye.